Omurai w'ekiama kia Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka nigakwanire iguru y'aba Commisioners b'ekiombe ky'abachori n'ekimbebe Iebc asikeri atebire buna omurai bwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto tagochora aba Commisioners bayia erebweka okwana n'abariki amagana hime y'omuchyo Kisumu nigo boigo aigerera aba Commisioners bane b'ekiombe kya Iebc abo batarenge ensemo yaye cyomu Commissioner bw'ekiombe kyo Wafula Chebukati achinga kichyobochori obonene bw'omwakoyega na tabuna nigo batenenete ase ekene nabono nigo aganirie omurai bense Dr. William Samuel Ruto kwene kiabuna nkubwatiraniare abananchi nabo igo abarai bonsi chinga kiarachie kubachora aba Commissioner bayabe kyombekyo kya Iebc ani gaya kwana chinga kiboigo abaga gutarera county yo ya Kisumu eryo gwikirana ase umusangirekano bwa masabo ase kanisa ya Lolwe Deliverance asibarenke nabarai au gatiabo mu governor bwe county ya Kisumu Professor Nyang'nyong naboigo omugavana bwe county ya Siaya.
Chebukati and two commissioners have their term running out. What I'm not quite sure, Jim, is whether it should be the president to declare the vacancy, or whether it is we call it in law a fluxion of time, that it's a normal process, and Kenyans cannot wait to have them go home. We wonder why. Because there are several expected by elections. Several. If some of these nominee cabinet secretaries will succeed in the endeavor, then clearly there will be by-elections. Ask yourself why Chebukati would have wanted to carry out, instead of waiting for these by-elections to come together, why did he push for December 8th? Just to make sure that he perhaps has some duty to perform, maybe to a friend, before he leaves office. It will not be the responsibility of William Ruto alone to choose who will be the next chair of the Iebc. Nobody should dare touch the 4 commissioners who are continuing commissioners, because they showed in their own way their sense of professionalism and they were not afraid.